So if you've been a subscriber for a while, you might notice something different in my office. I recently repainted it white. It used to be like this gray color, so now I'm in the market for some new wall art to decorate my office, and luckily enough, Displate.com, which is an awesome metal poster website, reached out and were kind enough to sponsor this video. When you go to their website, you can see that they have a ton of awesome creative designs on their metal prints. Everything from abstract to nature to animals to geeky to pop culture, all that kind of stuff, minimalist. It's hard not to find something that will fit your taste. So definitely check out Displate.com. And they sent me a mystery box, a $200 mystery box of their wall art. So I got 2 large metal posters in here. So I'm going to give away one of them and keep one for myself. So if you want to enter this giveaway and potentially win one of these, I will ship it to you for free as long as you meet the requirements for this giveaway. So to enter, you have to first follow me and Displate on Instagram. I'll leave our links in the description below. And then also give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, just any comment, but as long as you leave your Instagram handle, I will know that it's you, so that when we reach 500 likes on this video, I will randomly pick a commenter down below to win one of these posters, one of these metal prints. And it's a $99 value, so I'll ship it to you directly for free if you're the lucky winner. So let's go ahead and unbox these wall arts and see what they are. And actually we're going to hang one up later in this video and see how easy it is to hang and see what it looks like. So here we go. Honestly, I wouldn't even mind having a print of like the box that they ship it in. This is pretty cool. So it looks like they threw in some free stickers, which might come in handy. I might put that on my laptop or something. The cat's pretty cool. This is definitely the one I'm keeping right here. And this is the one, I saw this on the front page. This is what made me fall in love with Displate. The fox with like the digital outline. I'm a huge fan of foxes. I think it's my spirit animal because my last name is Sly. They're like the real live cat dog. So they're like a cat and a dog mixed together. So definitely want to keep this. This is awesome. Let me take the packaging off. So this is what it looks like. Super nice. Oh my God, I can't wait to hang this up. I think I'm gonna hang it up right behind me, maybe. What do you think? That's awesome. And these are not that heavy either. It's like, it's metal, but they're like maybe a pound or something. I don't know. It feels like a pound. All right, next one, second one up. Oh, so it's from the same artist, but it's a bald eagle this time instead of a fox. So I'm definitely keeping the fox. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna leave it in plastic just because I want it to, whoever gets it, I want it to be brand new. So really cool. If you like this type of style, like the digital outlines with the animal, I think it's really cool. I'm keeping the fox, but yeah, if anybody wants to get the bald eagle, I will send it to you for free if you win. So we're gonna go ahead and mount the fox so we can see how easy it is to hang and see what it looks like. So yeah, these are super easy to hang. It comes with magnets. So all you have to do is stick the magnets to your wall. The large displays come with 2 magnets, so press firmly on each magnet for about 20 seconds until it's stuck to your wall. And then all you have to do is align your display and snap it to the magnets, and there you go. Easy as that. So if you want some new wall art and want something a little different, the metal prints are really cool. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks to Displate for sponsoring this video. Again, if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you like us both on Instagram and leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will pick a random winner once this video reaches 500 likes. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.